Righto guys, Todd from OnGoing Adventures. I've got a bit of a story to tell of what's been sort of partially going on so far and why the channel's had a bit of a pause. We are getting cracking back into it now slowly though, but for a bit of a quick background feed, I've been going through some personal stuff in life, had to take a bit of a pause to work out a lot of good things, bad things and good things going in my life. Just like something else, I've separated from my partner. We are still really great friends. We just basically grew a part of each other. I'm looking at selling my house and the shed and, all that other, lot of things going on, at home wise, and I've, leveled up in a position at my workplace as well, because that's also a full-time job. And then as of, I guess now just over a week, almost a week and a half, I was in a motorbike accident on this big girl here behind me. I was down at Southwest Rocks coming back from the lighthouse in a little group ride, and I've come off at 80 k's roughly, somewhere between 70 and 80 k's, and I've hit my old noggin, and unfortunately I've lost a fair bit of chunk of memories. I'm perfectly fine. I'm also all over. It's taken me a bit to get to this stage where I'm walking around properly and a bit stiff, but so far the only problems I realistically have is just I've lost about 12 months of roughly 12 to 15 months of memories. I'm working through that. We're getting on top of it. Nothing else is wrong with my brain. Had all the scans and tests and everything done from the hospital. I've been doing regular checkups with doctors as well, and I had a big thanks to my family and a few friends here and there that I've told help with the support and just get me basically back on my feet and walking around properly. So safety tip, guys, definitely wear your motorbike gear, because that's what's basically saved me at the end of the day, from being all cut, bruised and broken boned. But yeah, thanks to the paramedics. Shout out to Jane, who was with me at the ride as well, and her husband and all those sort of people. It's something I haven't really told people about just as of yet, and sort of keeping it to myself, just trying to self-recover and get back on top to what I was doing and where I'm going, and just basically finding all the stuff that's changed and where I'm at in life. So that's just a quick little rundown on what's been going on. But stay tuned, guys. We are going to get the channel up and going again, running hard. We've got some major plans going on real soon in the future. I'm getting the patrol semi-ready now. We've got some extra videos hopefully coming out when stuff turns up. We've got, I believe, a new awning coming for Danny's car. We're going to do an install video and show that off. I've got a new intercooler for the patrol coming. We're going to do an install video on that and show that off. There's just a couple of little things going on. We'll get those ready, and the plan is we're actually getting all the stuff, gear ready to go for all our cars to go to Morton Island towards the end of the year. So stay tuned for that. We are going to go to Morton Island. I believe we're doing a 7-day trip over there. So that's going to be fantastic. We're going to do, your casual swimming, beach, chilling out. Also, we're going to do a lot of some fishing. We're going to go swimming around the wrecks, get some snorkeling gear, snorkel around the wrecks. Probably going to chuck the kayak on, all that sort of good stuff. A lot of beach driving, exploring, check out the gutter bar, all that good stuff. So I was there quite a few years ago now, probably about 7 years ago. I'm keen to go back. So we've got the ferry ride. I've already booked the ferry ride. We're about to book our tickets at the campsite. So there is stuff happening. We've got some small camp trips happening, ready planned. So we're planning our Morton Island one now. We've got some weekend ones where gathering together. But just as a quick rundown, just why the channel has taken a bit of a pause at the moment. It's just purely because I had some stuff going on in the background of my own personal life. We're getting that all sorted now, and then obviously I've had the crash just over a week ago now, and I've just sort of started moving and recovering now when it comes to better just sort of talk about stuff and get on going on from there. So that's been a bit of a mental block just on that, especially since I've lost a fair chunk of my memories. I should get them all back. It'll just take time. So just patience. Thanks to the support for the people who have reached out, running what's been going on the channel. We've had quite a few messages saying, hey, we noticed a bit of a pause. This is just a quick reason why. I'd love to see you guys out there. Let's get cracking. I want to need your support to help me get back into it properly again and get hard full stroke. So the idea is, guys, as usual, press a like, share that thing around, and sub to our channel. Look at our first social medias as we start bringing stuff out, and I'll see you guys out there. Let's get cracking.